Hello everyone and welcome back to Nishma's Edu Launch. In the last class we have seen accounting for not-for-profit organization theory part. In today's session we'll discuss about receipts and payment account, its format and a problem. So let us quickly move on to today's session. So here you can see that there is debit side and credit side in the format. So in the debit side you have the balance brought down of cash and bank. So here you have the opening balance of cash and bank. You note it down there in the debit side. Okay, then after that you have all the receipts on the debit side, that is your subscription. Then after that you have the entrance fees, donation for building, general donation, life membership fee, legacy, grants from government, etc. That is what all receipts you have received, that is what all cash receipts you have received, you will record it on the debit side, and on the credit side you have all the payments. When cash is going out, you will record it in the credit side. And here you can see that you have a bank overdraft. So a bank overdraft means that's a similar to a loan taken by you. So if you have bank overdraft, that will appear on the payment side, that is on the credit side. If you have the opening balance as bank overdraft, it will appear on the credit side. Otherwise you will have the opening balance on the debit side. That means you have cash in your hand, or you have cash balance at your bank. That's what it shows. Then you have several payments like annual sports expense, salaries and wages, rent, rates and taxes, insurance, furniture, etc. All the kind of payments, whether it be capital payment or whether it be revenue. So no matter, in receipt and payment account there is no distinction made between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. So whether if you buy a furniture or any other asset, it will be shown on the payment side. And if you receive any receipt of capital nature, you will record it in the receipt side. Okay, so one more thing I have to tell you, that is you can see in the subscription given here, it is given like for previous year, for current year, for next year. So remember in the last class I have told you that in receipts and payment account, the year of transaction to which they pertain is not relevant. That is said in connection to subscription only, because in subscription we will be given the data relating to previous year, current year and the upcoming year. So you will record it like that. But when you take it to income and expenditure account, only the current year's data will be taken. But when you consider it in a receipts and payments account, all the 3 years information, or all the 3 years amount will be taken into consideration. And when you come to the closing part, you have the balance carried down on the credit side. See, on the credit side, it's not DD, it's balance brought down. Okay, it's balance, sorry, not balance brought down, it's balance carried down. Okay, you have the closing balance of cash and bank on the credit side. Now if you have overdraft, that is if you are getting overdraft as a closing balance, it will appear on the debit side. See, on the debit side. Okay, so like that. From the exam point of view, receipts and payment account will not be asked in the exam, but you will be provided with the receipt and payment account, and from that you will be asked to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So you must know the format of receipts and payment account and how to handle it. But such a kind of question to prepare receipts and payment account, such a question won't be asked in the examination. But you should have a thorough understanding about receipts and payment account. So we'll just discuss a simple problem with relation to it. So let us move on to that. So I have a problem here. From the following particulars relating to Silver Point, prepare receipts and payments account for the year ended March 31st, 2022. So I have mixed up all the payments and receipts here. So this is a problem. You'll have to sort it out into receipts and payments, and you have to write it on the correct side. So let us read out the question. Opening balance, cash in bank, subscriptions 2020-2021. That is the previous year. Our year is 2021 April to 2022 March. Okay, please keep that in mind. So that is the middle year. The middle year, this one is our current year. Okay, the middle one. Okay, then the previous one is the fourth previous year, and 2020 to 2023 is the coming up year. That means the next year. Then we have sale of refreshment, entrance fees. Then on the other side we have sale of sports material, donations received for pavilion, rent paid, purchase of sports material, purchase of refreshment, expenses for maintenance of tennis court, salary paid, tournament expense, bought furniture, office expenses, and finally closing cash in hand. So this is the question. Okay, so one thing you have to note here is that here you have the opening balance of bank, but you don't have the closing balance of bank. So please keep that in mind, and let us move on to the solution. So we have solution here. The first item was balance brought down. That is, we have the opening balance, right? So we have the opening balance that will appear on the receipt side of the account, right? So it I have shown it there. I have shown it here. Okay, so I have shown a balance brought down, cash and bank balance. I have written it there. Then we have next one is subscription. So we are asked to prepare receipts and payment account. So all these 3 years information will be taken into consideration. Okay, so I have shown it here. Okay, 3 years that I have shown it, 500, 7,600 and 900. I have shown it there. Then the next one is sale of refreshment. So what is happening there? You are receiving cash, so it is a receipt. So we will show it in the receipt side. So I have shown it in the receipt side, sale of refreshment. Then what we have next? Entrance fees also you are receiving cash, so it's again a receipt. So you will record it in the receipt side. Okay, so you will record it in the receipt side. I have shown it in the receipt side. Then the next item in the question is, this side is over. Now we are going to the other side, that is sale of sports materials. So you are selling your sports material in hand. So what will you receive in exchange? You will receive money. So it's again a receipt. So you will record it in the receipt side. You will record it in the receipt side, sale of sports material. Then which is the next item? Donation received for pavilion. So again you are receiving donation. So money is coming in, cash is coming in. So it's a receipt. So you will record it again in the receipt side. Donation for pavilion. Okay. Now the next now the next item is, wait a second. Now the next item is rent paid. So on rent paid, your cash is going out from your hand. So what will happen? You will record it. It's a payment, so you will record it in the payment side. Okay, so rent paid is shown here on the payment side. Rent paid, it's 3,000. Then we have the next item is a purchase of sports materials. Okay, you are purchasing the sports materials. So what is happening there? Cash is going out from your hand. So that means you are making a payment. So you will record it on the payment side. So purchase of sports material. Then we have what? The next item is purchase of refreshment. Again you are purchasing the refreshment, so you are making payment, and so you will record it on the payment side. That is here. I have shown it here, purchase of refreshment. Then after that you have which item? Expenses for maintenance of tennis court. So again it is an expense, so you are making payment, so you will record it on the payment side. Okay, maintenance, I have shown it as maintenance expense. See, maintenance expense. Okay, so after that we have what? salary paid. So you're paying salary. That's again a payment. You'll have to show it in the payment side. Okay, salary. Then we have what? The next item is the tournament expense. So tournament expense, you are making payment, you will show it on the payment side. Okay, tournament expense. Then after that we have what? Bought furniture. That means you are making a purchase of furniture. It is a capital item, capital expenditure. Never mind, you will record it in the receipts and payments account. So you will record it here. Purchase of furniture 1500. Then after that what we have? Office expense. Again, expense, you make payment, so you will show it office expense. Now after that we have the closing cash in hand. Okay, that means what? Balance carried down. So you will go to the which side you will show balance carried down? On the credit side or on the payment side. You have balance carried down of cash as 400. So I have recorded here 400. But here you should know that you have to calculate the total of receipt side and payment side. Okay, to find out if there is any details or any missing, or both the find out if any if there is any balance or any difference in both the sides. So you will have to calculate the total. So when you calculate the total, you will get a total of 25,000 on the receipt side, whereas your payment side will not agree with the receipt side, and you will get a difference of 6,600, which will be your bank, that is closing balance of bank. Okay, so you'll get a total of 25,000 in the receipt side. But your payment side will be having a shortfall of 6,600. You will write that as a balancing figure, and which is that balance? That is bank. Okay, that is bank. That is the closing balance of bank. Okay, because you have the opening balance of bank given in the question, right? But you don't have the same in the question. You don't have the closing balance of bank in the question. So you can come to the conclusion that the difference appearing on the payment side will be the closing balance of bank. All right, I hope it's clear to you. So this is all about this problem. I have chosen a very short problem. This is how you will prepare a receipt and payment account. So I told you it won't be asked for examination, but you should know the format and the how to prepare receipts and payment account, because it forms the basis for the preparation of income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. So you must know it. That's all for today's session. I hope you all understood the class. If you have any doubt, please comment it below. If you like my video, please like, share it to the beneficiaries, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.